show that the lines 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. We need to show that two lines are perpendicular. So solution. We have the line equation. The first line is 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, and we have the second line. We can say this is the first line, and we can say this one is the second line. We have x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. We need to show that these two lines are perpendicular. Already we know the condition for perpendicular. What is the condition? M1, the product of M1 and M2 must be equal to minus 1, right? This is the condition for perpendicular. So here from this one we need to find the gradient of first line, and here also we need to find the gradient of second line. So how to find the gradient? Already we know that the line equation y equal to mx plus c. So we need to transform or rearrange this line 1 equation in this line equation. So we have say y equals, so bring that to another side, it will become minus 2x and minus y will become plus 5. Okay, then here we have this is the m, the coefficient of x is m, so here the m1 equals minus 2. Similarly, we need to find the gradient for the second line. So rearrange this one, we will get minus 2y equals minus x minus 4, minus 2y equals minus x minus 4, minus y equals minus x minus 4 divided by 2, which equals minus 1 by 2 of x minus 2. It is minus y. So change the sign, this become plus. So y equals 1 by 2 times of x plus 2. So here this is the m2. So m2 equals 1 by 2. Check for condition. How to check the condition? Product of m1 and the m2 must equals minus 1. So m1 is minus 2 times of 1 by 2 equals cancel each other equals minus 1. So hence the two lines are perpendicular. Okay guys, see you, bye bye, have a great day.